this is a simple sari, which is like, I don't know what it's called. I think it's a satin tissue or something. It's like this peacock green color. It's got shades of blue. You can see it. Like, if you twist, you see the shade of blue. And then I thought I should spruce it up because it's a very plain sari, and it also sits very heavy. Like, it sits very like fluffy. So I thought if I add some weight below, I might be able to make it uh, flatter. So yesterday I went to Thirumala in Borivali and I brought this lace. Let me show you. And also I picked up a velvet blouse of this blue color, dark, this light blue that you get. I got a velvet because I thought a velvet would look very nice on it. And we went to select laces. So I got this bundle of lace for some 6,700 rupees. Full lace, yeah. So it can go for your entire sari. So here, added it here. Let's see how it looks now. This is how the sari is going to look with the lace. Very nice work on the lace. Kattana or whatever they call it. Nice work. And so blouse is also gone for stitching. So when it comes back, I will show you how it looks, the blouse and the sari. And today I will give the sari to a tailor who specifically does only laces. The saris come, and you can see they've attached it. It's looking nice. It was a plain sari and now this is attached. Now my next job is to find sequins which are like gold or diamond and put them all around the sari. That will again increase the like really make the sari look very beautiful. So that's my next thing. Now for that I will go to the markets of Borivali and look for sequins which suit this sari. What I like about places like in India, things the shopkeepers recommend a lot of things. They have an eye for these things. So yeah, they'll recommend and I'll see what I like. So here there's this glue called B700, very strong, 7000, very strong fabric glue, and I've attached these sequins, sticking these sequins to the sari. So I'm first going to stick these sequins from the side that will come on the shoulder and then towards the pleats. So that's what I'm going to do. So, and you'll see how this sari looked in the pictures. I didn't get a proper full picture of myself because I was busy where I wore it for Haldi Kumkum, but you can see a little bit of the sari in these pictures. I was pretty happy with how it looked. I hope you like my DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.